Hello guys, let's start with our video. In this video I am going to show how to use SQLite 3 package in Python to manipulate databases. Here this is my code editor in Android. Android doesn't have any terminal, so I am going to use Termex as a terminal. PowerShell in Windows and Linux terminal will work the same. This is mainly similar to Linux operating system. All the commands like ls command and cd command are similar here. You can see the result of ls command. It is giving me list of all the directories and files that I have inside that folder. So let's begin. First we need to import the package SQLite 3 package. Then we need to make a connection with that database. To make connections, SQLite 3 dot connect, and we need to specify the name of that database. So if I see here ls, I got this weather station database, weather stations database inside the same folder as my Python file is. Copy. So I paste it here. So the connection is ready. Now we need to create a cursor object. Con dot cursor, and at the end we need to stop the connection, which is close. We need to close the connection. Now c dot execute is the method that let us execute the SQL commands directly. SQL is nothing but a structured query language, as you should be known for row in c dot execute. The query I am executing here is the most simplest and basic query. I am using 3 codes so that I can run my queries on multiple lines. So simple query is select star, which is everything from select everything from the table name was station data, and as we are iterating through rows, so I'm going to print rows row. Let's see the result. So we need to run data.py, python data.py. Yeah, we got the result. This is what the result is. All the data in the database we have got. Similarly, you can run in Python, what we call Python shell. You can use Python shell to run the Python files in Windows or in Linux, or you can use terminal. In Linux and Windows you have what we call shell. No, not PowerShell. In Windows you have PowerShell. You can use PowerShell. Okay. So this way you can execute any SQL query using this SQLite 3 package in Python. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.